Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. Today I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and lay down my base coat, and I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, so I'm going to work with a number of different colours as you saw in the beginning. Thinking what I really want to do is probably work light, dark, light. Let's see if that works. So here I have sucker, kind of like an off-white. It's called Baby Huxley. Let's start here, I think. Over there. So I have a new hairdryer and I really don't know how it's going to blow. It's got a nice outlet though, so let's give that a try. So although it's blowing everything all over the show, the cells that are popping up here are really beautiful. So let's go in with some brown. Well, this is actually so there's a little bit of brown in here, but it's also, it's got a little bit of bling as well. So it is kind of a bit of a mix. Let's see, where am I going to do this one now? Let's do it here. And put that one there. Yeah, so that's got a bit of metallic in it. Okay. Wow, that's looking super pretty. Now I'm going to go in with, this is like a kind of like a beige, and I'll go in here. So what I'm actually wanting to do is just do a couple of layers. And then I'm going to go in. Now I do have this, it's kind of like an orangey brown, so I'm just wondering, do I actually use that, because there is quite a bit of those colours in there, and I do want to use some red. So how about we do let's do some yellow. Making a decision, guys. So I think and this is Florescent Yellow. Right, so I think what I want to do now is try and blow it in like that. And then I'm going to go in with red, I think. And I might just finish it off with a brown. Let's see. Let's bring them in closer, or let's just do like that, very close. So hopefully I can blow them at different angles, not sure. I really like this side here, so I'll just give this a bit of a blow. Okay, I was hoping to get some of that effect over there. Or maybe it'll turn up. You'll see a little bit coming on there. Right, guys. What do I do? What do I do? I want to do something here. And if I put the alright, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I should put a little bit of white. Might bring it together, I'm not sure. Let's just see. Add some more white. Okay, I like that quite a bit. So I'm going to now do some embellishing. Let's just see. This one definitely needs a divide. And then I'd like a bit more of a divide here. Just go in this way. Right, and this is the got to be the ugliest green you've ever seen. It is so dark green that it's almost black. Such a dull color. Anyway, that's the Australian leaf green, and I have seen this leaf, green leaves like this a number of times, and it really is ugly. When you put it down like this as a background, it's not bad because, you know, you've got the lights which will really look great with it, but it's almost black. I suppose in the right light it might look a bit green, but anyway, I believe that this is the ugliest color on earth.